Mr. Monat. Thank you for joining our program today. As you are an insurance expert, can you tell our audience an overall review of the insurance markets in Hong Kong?
Well, the insurance markets in Hong Kong have grown substantially since I came here in 1970, and now it's one of the world's greatest insurance centers. We provide life insurance policies in larger amounts for estate tax planning, and we've seen a big growth in the business over the years.
Mm-hmm. However, we are now right at the middle of a financial crisis. Does it affect people's interest to buy insurance policy?
Interestingly, during a financial crisis, people get more sensitive about insurance. They get more interested because these policies provide minimum guarantees of 3 or 4% interest plus a benefit for the beneficiaries, a death benefit. So they are asking us more questions. They're also asking more about the financial solvency of the insurance companies and the rating of the insurance companies, which we answer. And so it's generated some additional interest being in a crisis. Very similar to what happened in 2003 during SARS and during 9/11 and during the 1997 meltdown.
Mm-hmm. I know your company is an expert in selling very large size of insurance policy. But what are the difference of this large size policy with the smaller one?
For one thing, the large policies are more difficult to underwrite because the higher the risk, the more likely there is a claim. So the insurance companies are more careful about the financial underwriting and the medical underwriting. On the other hand, the price is somewhat lower because of the economies of scale. So it's a little more challenging in order to get these issued.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But what are the benefits of buying this large policy? Why don't people just simply put their money into the fund product?
The main benefit, is that it creates a lot of cash at the discounts. The premiums are relatively small. Sometimes you get 50 or 100 times the benefit compared to the premium. And you can't possibly do that by just investing money in shares or in the stock market or in a deposit account.
Mm-hmm. Well, recently we have seen a small Hong Kong insurance company went into liquidation. And do you think that will affect clients' confidence to the insurance industry in Hong Kong?
Well, I think it will get people to ask more questions about why this company went under and what the problems were, and it had to do with solvency and capitalization. I think it's good that people take a greater interest, but I think the system is good here. The regulatory system works, and no one has lost money so far over the years I've been here from having insurance with any of the local companies.
Well, thank you very much for joining our program today.
My pleasure.